In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get to inbox 0 in Notion Mail. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable reset of your inbox using Notion Mail's built-in bulk selection and delete controls with a safety stop in deleted items so you can double check before anything is permanently removed. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear everything and how to restore messages if you change your mind. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option to continue. A Google window will open so you can pick your account. Select the account you use for Notion and complete the sign-in. If you already have a Notion session active, you may be taken straight into your workspace without any prompts. Either way, once you're in, you're ready to move to Mail. Inside your Notion workspace, open Notion Mail. You may see it listed in your sidebar. If so, click it to jump directly into your inbox. If you land on a general mail page, you'll still see your inbox in the left navigation, and selecting it brings your incoming messages front and center. Now let's bulk select everything in your inbox. At the top of the inbox view, locate the small drop-down next to the word Inbox. Click that drop-down to reveal the selection controls, then click the selection box to highlight every message in your inbox at once. You should see all messages become selected. This is a great moment to do a quick visual scan for anything obviously important that you don't want to remove right now. When you're comfortable, click the trash icon. This action moves all selected messages out of the inbox and into deleted items. Nothing is permanently erased yet, so you still have a chance to review. Next, navigate to deleted items. You can get there from the Mail navigation, and it will display everything you just removed from your inbox. Think of this as your safety net. If something was deleted by mistake, you can catch it here before taking any irreversible action. With deleted items open, use bulk selection again. Look for the selection box near the trash icon at the top of this view and click it to select all messages in deleted items. If you're sure you want a full reset, choose Delete Forever. This permanently removes the selected messages and cannot be undone, so only use it when you're absolutely certain you don't need those emails again. If you prefer to leave deleted items as a temporary buffer, you can skip permanent deletion and keep messages here for a while. If you spot something you want to bring back instead, use Move to Inbox. With the message or messages selected, click Move to Inbox to restore them. They'll return to your main inbox just as they were. This is especially handy if you notice an important thread after your initial cleanup and want it back in your active queue. That's the full journey. Log in at Notion.com, open Notion Mail, bulk select everything in your inbox via the drop-down and selection box, move it all to deleted items with the trash icon, then either permanently clear it with Delete Forever or restore anything you need with Move to Inbox. Following this flow gives you a fast path to inbox 0 while maintaining control and confidence at each step. To keep things tidy over time, repeat this process whenever your inbox feels overwhelming. The combination of bulk selection, a reversible stage in deleted items, and a final permanent delete gives you both speed and safety. Enjoy your clean slate, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.